If you want to play Forza Horizon 6 on a Mac, the easiest method is to use Xbox Cloud Gaming, and in this video I'll walk you through the full process step by step. This is a great option if you don't want to worry about installing Windows or using complicated workarounds, because everything runs through the cloud and streams directly to your Mac. So if you've been wondering how to get started quickly, this guide is for you. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need is an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This is important because Game Pass Ultimate gives you access to Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is the service that lets you play supported games on a Mac through your browser or the Xbox app without downloading the full game locally. To get started, open your browser and go to the Xbox website or the Game Pass page. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't already have it. Then choose the Game Pass Ultimate plan and complete your purchase. Once your subscription is active, you're ready for the next step. Now go ahead and install the Xbox app on your Mac if it's available for your setup, or use the cloud gaming option through the supported browser experience if needed. The idea here is to make sure you have a way to access the cloud gaming library easily. After the app is installed and you're signed in with the same Microsoft account that has Game Pass Ultimate, open the app and look for the cloud gaming section. This is where all the supported streaming games are available. Inside Cloud Gaming, use the search bar to find Forza Horizon 6. Once you see the game, click on it to open the game page. From there, you should see a play or launch option. Click launch and the game will begin streaming to your Mac. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few moments to start, so be patient while the session loads. For the best experience, make sure you have a stable high-speed internet connection, because cloud gaming depends heavily on your network quality. If your connection is weak, you may notice lag, lower image quality, or input delay. It also helps to use a controller, especially for a racing game like Forza Horizon 6, because it gives you much better control and a more console-like experience. Once the game opens, you can start playing right away on your Mac without needing to install the full game or set up a Windows machine. That's really the beauty of cloud gaming. It makes it possible to enjoy big Xbox titles on devices that normally wouldn't support them natively. So to quickly recap, the process is simple. First purchase Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, because that unlocks cloud gaming. Then install and sign in to the Xbox app. Go to the cloud gaming section, search for Forza Horizon 6, and launch the game. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy racing on your Mac.